In primetime news this evening, no support. States of emergency will not be extended as opposition vote against it in the Senate. Prime Minister reacts to Ford attempt for SOE extension, and opposition senators respond to private sector as they reject call for SOE support.
Welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in the financial week, here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. It's all about tourism. Earnings from the industry have exceeded pre-pandemic levels, and there's a new 450-room resort being built in Montego Bay. Join me later for the details.
All right, thanks. And later we'll have Jordan Fort. He's here right now to give us a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Herman, there were more enterprising results at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar today. The hosts bowing out of the tournament, the first team to do so. Also, one schoolboy football competition is a step closer to completion. We'll tell you all of that in a Primetime Sports Friday.
Enterprising, really. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the opposition's decision to vote against the extension of the states of emergency?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.